So radio campaigns, as you know, coming from a marketing background, are incredibly hard to track, especially when we don't run sales. We don't run, promos, so there's nothing for us to tangibly cite. What we see is the difference in, you know, radio turns on every spring and call volume just goes hockey stick through the roof. And we're running at near capacity. We grew 30% in 2020. We're growing, targeting for another close to 30 in 2021. It's it's working, and it's one of those scenarios of, yes, it's hard to track, especially when you compare it to the digital funnels that exist. But if it's working and clients are referencing that they heard it on the radio, oftentimes they'll say, I Googled you, but how did you know our name to Google us? We kind of try to attribute that either to radio or to the billboard activities in certain areas.